What on earth is that? Just a bunch of white birds, maybe? Turn it to the side. Oh no, don't lose it. That was... I couldn't tell. Why are they so bright in the night sky? White birds, maybe? You can still kind of see them. Dang. What on earth? Oh, there's more. I don't know what kind of birds these are, but that show is pretty. Hey, zoom, details, details. That's so neat. What does that even mean? Are there more? We got like an airplane over there. Why is it so blurry? Focus. Here's more. I just showed up at my mama's house and this is what I see. What's up? These birds look like they're friggin' glowing in the night sky. This is so crazy. All right, Lukey, I'm coming to get you. I just went to get out of the car and then